Yeah, that's where we were for the funeral. Greg's funeral. Beautiful cemetery. There's David. Bye, Greg. Rest in peace. And the road goes on forever. Yeah, we're probably about 50 feet away from his funeral thing there. There's the railroad track. Had their picture taken. Yeah, it's videoing. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Maggie. Smile. Say because you want to smile.
Video. Matt should be a photographer instead of a sucker.
I need to be a photographer instead of a sucker, yeah.
Yeah, you could be a good photographer.
Yeah, that railroad track is where they had their picture taken.
Where at? Though?
Right there.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's look up there.
Yep. We forgot about this part.
So they walked out here. They come to see that cemetery right there.
Yeah. See, you could ride your bike all the way up that hill.
They all came out here and to see that grave. They had their picture made. They wouldn't have come to see the grave because they wasn't dead yet.
No, but they sat along that railroad track when they were.
What made them come here if there wasn't nobody dead yet?
Georgia peach, brother. Eat a peach. Get that railroad track. Woo! You imagine riding one of them things? Look at that railroad track. You imagine being on a railroad? Look at that.
I used to walk on them when I was a little boy.
Yeah, be careful.
Huh?
Yeah, be careful. Woo! Look at that.
This is where they got the picture made.
Yeah.
Ain't it?
Yep.
Right here. They sat on these tracks like this. Come here, baby. They sat like this and all of them circled around and got their picture made.
Yep. Exact same spot where they were.
Well, I don't know about that. Can't tell that.
That's fascinating.
These could be new tracks. There may have only been one here at that time.
Yeah, they look fairly new. Oh, she can't get up.
You all right?
You all right?
Yeah, it is.
I definitely don't have on the right shoes for this.
I broke my neck coming up them rocks.
I busted my butt too. That's even worse, sir. Hey, Maggie. Look at that smile.
Kind of picturing them sitting here on the railroad tracks.
Yeah.
But it's probably close to that because they probably came to check that area out to see if that's where they wanted to have their graves put.
Yep.
Only thing I can figure out. Are you hot, darling? Come here. It's my baby. Hot.
That's great. Ooh, that's a good zoom in right there.
My baby's hot. We fixing to get into AC in just a minute. Yes, we are. We fixing to get into AC in just a minute. I know you're hot. Yeah. Them old gnats are bothering you too. Thing will bother me, and I put a lot of that spray on. Yeah, so girl, not gonna let them bite you anymore. They've been biting you. Better go up there and look at that ridiculous letter that was written.
Yeah. That don't make no sense. I'm baffled.
It's ridiculous. Some idiot wrote it. I knew there wasn't no such thing as getting the police to escort everybody down here.
It's just an obsessed fan. Obsession.
When you told me that, I'm like, dang, something's wrong with that picture. Cops ain't gonna devote that much money and resources to bringing everybody down here one by one.
No. That's just to scare people.
It scared your mama, didn't it?
Yep.
Didn't scare me none. When you told me about it, I knew it was bull crap. What's that?
Did I break something? I felt
Holy
that.
crap. Is that a train coming?
Yep. That's a train coming.
Oh my gosh.
David, get off. Get off.
That's what it is.
You're right.
Wow, it must have popped way up here. Come on, let's get on down here away from that thing.
Here comes the train. We out of here.
Get on down here away from it.
And we out of here.
Yeah, I don't want to get stuck on the train track.
Woo!
Darn, that pop.
I felt that. I thought I broke something.
That train telling you to get off. I'm going to sit in here and watch it go by. I can't get out of these mats. It's driving me crazy.
Like, I can't afford to be small. You see it? Train means soul's on. Soul shine. Good night. Fuck that one. Here comes the train. It's coming slowly. Probably don't have much on them. Can't imagine that booger. Here he comes. Here comes the train. Yeehaw! I can imagine being on one of them boogers. I'd probably end up busting my butt. Yeehaw! No kidding. Long train too. It's not really going that fast, I can tell. Imagine riding one of them things. Road goes on forever. all good. Gotta end somewhere. There's a lot of graffiti on that thing. The end? Yep, that's the end. There it goes. Whee! That's the end. Click.